What's up guys, I'm here in the VS today doing an unboxing video of the Sonos One. This is the second generation, as you can see from here, if you can see that or not. And just by reading this side note, we have Apple AirPlay, and it also has the Android, whatever that is. I don't use Android, I use an Apple. This does have the voice function, I'm pretty sure. You can talk to it, have it change songs, etc. I'm not totally into that stuff yet, but this is what it looks like, the box. You can see the bottom. Apple AirPlay 2, which is the reason why I got it for Christmas. So I can just use the Apple Music app and just play music directly onto this. But I'm going to go ahead and open this up, and we'll go ahead and plug it in where I'm going to use it, and we'll test it out. So to open the package, there's just a little thing here you can cut it with. That should do it. So now that just opens up like that. Top slides open. You have right on the top here, welcome. Let's get started. So we're going to take this out. On the inside there should be just documentation really. On the inside of here we have download the Sonos app. I already have the Sonos app, so I can go ahead and just pair it through here, which is perfect. Warranty information. On the inside it'll give you a setup instruction, which I won't need because I have the setup on my app. So there we go. This explains to you how to set it up. Pretty straightforward really. That's it for the documentation. So inside here we'll have the speaker actually. This is really thick cardboard. It's actually doubled. I don't know if that was a mistake but there's two pieces of cardboard. Anyways, that's that. Here is the speaker. Pull it out. The cable is connected on the inside. So it comes in this white cloth sort of thing with a Sonos sticker on the top. This sticker should just, yeah, it peels right off. And the speaker slides out like so. That's what the speaker looks like. I have the white one here. And on the top, you can see we have a little microphone indication. Play pause, left, right, and you have your little microphone array. On the back, we have our pairing button and our Ethernet switch. And on the bottom, we have some information as well as the power port. Inside the bottom of the box here, we have another very heavy container with two pieces. So this part comes off the top. And we have the cable. That's it. That's the entire box. So there we go. I'm going to go ahead and get set up now. So setting up in the washroom here, you can see me. And here's the speaker. So I'm going to be putting it in the corner right over there by the washroom. So first I'm just going to plug it in. I'm going to put it in the corner where I want the speaker. So it's going to go right there. I'm going to push it in later. And I'm going to plug in the speaker. So you can see on the top there is a pulsating white light, as you can see. I'm not sure if you can... Yeah, you can see that. And we're going to go ahead and go through the setup. So we're going to go on my phone here. I'm going to stand. And on my phone, we're going to go into the Sonos app. It's going to say searching for Sonos. There we go. It's our Christmas music downstairs. So I should be able to go into System and add a product. So it is connected to power. I'm going to press continue. I'm going to search for the speaker that I added to our system right here. So I think it found it because it's taking a really quick path to get through. There we go. So Sonos One White set up this product. It's going to ask me to press the button on the back. So I'm going to go ahead and... So there was the chime sound. And now it's just waiting to complete the setup procedure. So you can see on the screen here. Please wait while the connection is completed, so it's going to connect by itself. So there we go. Now we can see the speaker is actually set up now. As you can see here on my screen, Sonos One added. Let's set it up. So we're going to press next here. I'm going to choose bathroom because that's where I have it. I'm pretty sure my other speaker is called bathroom too, but so I'm going to press not now. It's going to update the speaker because it's been a while, and we'll see after there. So you can see while it's updating, it's actually blinking red and white. Up here you can... There we go. While it's doing the update. And there we go, so the updates are done. You can see on the screen here, your Sonos box are now up to date. I can press continue, and it's going to register my product because it's a brand new product. So it's going to ask you to TruePlay tune your speakers, so custom tune your products with TruePlay so you can get great sound no matter where you place them. So I'm not going to do this because the sound that it's doing is fine, so I just press skip. And setup is complete, so now I can play music off of my system. So I'm going to go into rooms, I have bathroom here. That should be the speaker, yes, so I'm going to go ahead and choose a song. So this speaker is compatible with voice control, so there's Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. And I'm not going to use those right now because I have to have the apps, and I don't use any of those products in my home. So I'll set those up later, but for now... And this is just like regular music here, I'm not going to play anything that's... So say I want to play this non-copyrighted song on my thing. There's under AirPlay, there's bathroom. I can choose that, and it should connect to my Sonos speaker by itself. There we go. Yeah, it plays. So as expected, the bass response is very tight, it's rich sounding, and it's very good in a small room like my bathroom. So that was just a quick little audio test for you. My microphone is directly in front of the speaker, so that should be pretty good, an idea of how it sounds. So there you go, guys. Thanks for watching. Tech Boot.